In this demo, we will showcase the all-tenant commit and deploy use case. This can be used by MSPs or customers using multiple tenants to deploy tenant-level configuration to the firewalls, reducing the admin workload and effort. Launch Sonic Platform by visiting platform.sonicwall.com. Log in using the My SonicWall credentials and pass the two-factor authentication by clicking Next. We're now logged into Sonic Platform, SonicWall's unified management console. Click on the Firewalls menu on the left navigation pane for the NSM user interface. Select All Tenants and click on All Tenants. You will see that NSM is set to all tenants here. Navigate to Templates to create common configuration that can be applied across all tenants. Here you can create a new template by clicking on Add Template or use an existing template to be deployed on all tenants. We will use an existing template in this demo. Let us navigate to deploy an existing template that we have created earlier and click on Apply Template. You should now see all the tenants to which this template can be applied. Select the required tenants and click Apply. You will see the template apply status here. Click on Close and navigate to Commit and Deploy. We will deploy the pending changes. You will see the deployment status here.